anyways,
Don't
guys.
be hitting anything. No, I don't even know how much to do this. I wish there was a car I could follow.
Alright, guys. So there's this water that's flooded, and here it is right now. But it's worse at the other side, but it's better over here. Here we go, right here.
Okay, here we go. Whoops, wrong way.
And that's the other. Oh,
flip my camera. How do you flip my camera?
There you go.
Okay, this is what it is going from Orange back to Bridge City, and this is what it was like going from Bridge City to Orange to take some supplies to a much-needed family. Anyway, you don't need to travel.
Nope.
Don't do it. Water is high. If I'd have known this it was high, I would not have come this way.
Yo, that's really high.
I was scared halfway through it. My husband knew I'd probably be in big trouble. Anyway,
It's flooding over here worse.
there is flooding everywhere, and if you don't have an SUV or a truck,
That's really high.
don't think you can make it because you'll get stuck. Trust me. Anyway,
I need to tell something.
I'm right now recording. Here is people trying to cross in trucks.
There's a
and
small car right there. That's
scary.
the worst idea
So
ever.
if you don't need to,
Oh, guys.
don't do it. You don't think it's that deep, but
Yeah,
in
and
actuality,
it doesn't look like it's deep, but it's really
it
deep.
is deep. I'm scared. I'm just, okay. I'm going to stop filming so I can concentrate on driving. Bye.
Look at that. There's water on the windshield. Again, there's water on the windshield. I would not suggest to do this.
I need to tell something.
Now, if you have don't go on the roads unless if you have to, and if you're delivering stuff to a family that really needs it. And if you're going through here in Bridge City, I would suggest do not get a small car like that one right there.
No, because he ain't going to make it. It's going to have to turn around.
Because it's so small, the water's gonna go over him.
Thank you, Jesus.
And as you can tell, those flowers are from over here, from this grave. That's all the way over here.
Ooh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank
And
you, God.
That side of the road is much deeper, so I would suggest to not even drive because you'll get water in people's homes. And yeah, as the news people said, do not drive if you don't need to. And yeah, guys, just saying about that. And yeah, so that's basically it. If you're gonna drive through here and for
All the traffic's to go across the tent here.
for a much needed family, then I would suggest you to bring a
Big truck.
big, like a SUV, like a Tahoe, a tall, big truck that has a very good motor. And yeah. The mom is checking for something.
I want to make sure water didn't come through the door.
Mom, if it's dry,
Alright, guys.
if it's dry,
I'll see y'all later, and yeah,
Mom,
peace,
if it-
leaders.
Mom, if it's dry,
Yeah.